Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Pep with another short story for you. Hiccups for Elephants by James Preller and illustrated by Hans Wilhelm. The publisher is Scholastic, who's given us special permission to read their books during this time of school closure. Did you ever think about an elephant having hiccups the way we do? Maybe they do. It was nap time. All the animals were asleep. All the animals were fast asleep. Except for Elephant. He had the hiccups. Hiccup! Chimp woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Chimp said. Stand on your head and eat a banana. Elephant gave it a try. Kaboom! It only made him dizzy. Hiccup! Lion woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Lion said. Drink lots of water, very, very fast. Elephant gave it a try. He drank and drank and drank and drank. Hiccup! Zebra woke up. I can cure those hiccups, Zebra said. Hold your breath and count to 10 backwards. Elephant gave it a try, and you can give it a try with him. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hiccup! Mouse woke up. What's all the noise? Mouse asked. I'm trying to sleep. Poor Elephant has the hiccups, Chimp explained. Mouse looked Elephant in the eye. Boo! He shouted. Everyone waited and waited, but there were no more hiccups. Works every time, Mouse said. All the animals fell back to sleep. Except for Elephant. Achoo! Oh my goodness. Now what for all the animals and Elephant? That's the end. It was nice to see all of you. Please remember, you're each unique and special, and we love you at Northwest. Take care, everybody.